What is Form 8862 on H&R Block? Let's get started. Form 8862 is required if you want to claim the following tax credits again after the IRS disallowed them on a prior tax return: on income tax credit, child tax credit or additional child tax credit, credit for other dependents, or American Opportunity Tax Credit. You need to file Form 8862 if the IRS denied or reduced your claim for one of the above credits on a previous tax return. You are eligible to claim the credit again in the current year. For that, you can head over to the website of H&R Block, log into your account, go to the Federal Taxes section, select Deductions and Credit. When claiming a disallowed credit, EITC, CTC, etc., H&R Block will automatically determine if Form 8862 is needed based on your prior tax history. If required, the software will prompt you to complete Form 8862. Answer questions about why the credit was disallowed previously, provide updated information showing eligibility for the credit in the current tax year, verify details about your income, dependents, or educational expenses. Double check the information entered on Form 8862. Complete your tax return and file electronically. H&R Block will include Form 8862 with your return. By completing Form 8862 with H&R Block, you can attempt to reclaim disallowed credits if you meet the eligibility criteria. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.